Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson Fiscal Policy, Taxation and Spending. Fiscal Policy, Taxation and Spending. Fiscal policy, encompassing government taxation and spending, serves as a critical mechanism through which governments influence a nation's economic activity. As a fundamental aspect of public policy economics, fiscal policy plays a pivotal role in managing economic stability, redistributing income, and allocating resources efficiently. By adjusting tax rates and public spending, governments seek to achieve macroeconomic objectives, including economic growth, full employment, and price stability. This lesson delves into the intricate dynamics of taxation and government spending, exploring their impacts on the economy and the trade-offs policymakers face. Taxation is the principal means by which governments generate revenue necessary to finance public goods and services. Taxes can be categorized into various types, including income taxes, corporate taxes, consumption taxes, and property taxes. Each type of tax has distinct implications for economic behavior and efficiency. For instance, income taxes can influence labor supply and savings decisions, while corporate taxes can affect investment and business decisions. Consumption taxes, on the other hand, have the potential to alter consumer spending patterns. Progressive taxation, where higher income earners pay a larger percentage of their income in taxes, is often advocated for its redistributive effects. By imposing higher tax rates on the wealthy, governments aim to reduce income inequality and fund social welfare programs. Conversely, regressive taxes, which take a larger percentage from low-income earners, can exacerbate inequality. The design of a tax system, therefore, requires a delicate balance between equity and efficiency. Government spending constitutes the other key component of fiscal policy. Public expenditures can be classified into current spending, which includes day-to-day expenses such as salaries and consumables, and capital spending, which involves investments in infrastructure, education, and healthcare. The multiplier effect of government spending suggests that an initial increase in public expenditure can lead to a more significant overall increase in economic activity. For example, government investment in infrastructure not only creates jobs, but also enhances productivity by improving transportation networks. The composition of government spending is equally important. Expenditures on education and healthcare can enhance human capital, leading to long-term economic growth. In contrast, excessive spending on defense or inefficient subsidies can crowd out more productive investments. Policymakers must prioritize spending that yields the highest social and economic returns, considering both short-term impacts and long-term sustainability. Fiscal policy operates within the broader context of the business cycle. During periods of economic downturns, characterized by high unemployment and low consumer confidence, expansionary fiscal policy is often employed. This involves increasing government spending and/or reducing taxes to stimulate aggregate demand. For instance, the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act of 2009, which included tax cuts and increased federal spending, aimed to mitigate the effects of the Great Recession. Conversely, during periods of economic boom, characterized by high inflation and overutilization of resources, contractionary fiscal policy may be necessary. This involves decreasing government spending and/or increasing taxes to cool down the economy. The challenge lies in the timing and implementation of these policies. Delays in recognizing economic conditions or political constraints can lead to pro-cyclical policies, exacerbating economic fluctuations rather than stabilizing them. Fiscal policy also intersects with monetary policy, managed by central banks. While fiscal policy deals with government revenue and expenditure, monetary policy involves controlling the money supply and interest rates. The coordination between these two policies is crucial for effective economic management. For example, during the financial crisis of 2008, both fiscal and monetary policies were employed in tandem to restore economic stability. One of the enduring debates in fiscal policy revolves around the size of government intervention in the economy. Proponents of a larger government role argue that public spending is essential for providing public goods, correcting market failures, and achieving social justice. Critics, however, contend that excessive government intervention can lead to inefficiencies, distort market signals, and create dependency. The concept of fiscal sustainability is central to this debate. Fiscal sustainability refers to the government's ability to maintain its current level of spending and taxation without leading to an unsustainable increase in public debt. High levels of public debt can lead to higher interest rates, crowding out private investment, and increased vulnerability to economic shocks. The European sovereign debt crisis, which saw countries like Greece face severe fiscal constraints, underscores the importance of maintaining fiscal discipline. To ensure fiscal sustainability, many countries adopt fiscal rules, such as balanced budget requirements or debt ceilings. These rules aim to constrain government borrowing and promote long-term fiscal responsibility. However, rigid adherence to such rules can be problematic, especially during economic crises when flexibility is needed to provide stimulus and support economic recovery. The efficiency of taxation and the effectiveness of government spending are influenced by institutional factors. Transparent and accountable governance structures are essential for minimizing corruption and ensuring that public resources are used efficiently. Additionally, the administrative capacity of tax authorities and public agencies determines the successful implementation of fiscal policy. Countries with weak institutions may struggle to collect taxes and deliver public services effectively, undermining the objectives of fiscal policy. In conclusion, fiscal policy, through its instruments of taxation and government spending, plays a crucial role in shaping economic outcomes. By influencing aggregate demand, redistributing income, and allocating resources, fiscal policy can promote economic stability, growth, and equity. However, the design and implementation of fiscal policy involve complex trade-offs and challenges. Policymakers must navigate these complexities, balancing short-term needs with long-term sustainability, ensuring transparency and accountability, and coordinating with monetary policy to achieve desired economic objectives. The study of fiscal policy is thus indispensable for understanding the broader dynamics of public policy economics and the role of government in the economy. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UExcel, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.